Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled this wig right here. You guys seen this in my last video. It's the Aisha wig. You guys are going to see I didn't really have that much time, so I didn't pluck the lace or anything like that. So I still have a lot more work to do on this wig, but I was pressed for time. So I hope you guys enjoy what you guys see. Alright sis, so we're just going to start off by pinning our hair back. I already have my wig on. And right here is typically where, like I said, I would pluck that lace. But I'm going to be using my Pump It Up Spritz. Yes, this is the Ghetto Girl Spritz. This is my substitute for Gotta Be Freeze Spray. Dollar General didn't have it. So this worked literally just as good, you guys. I was really pleased with the results. But I'm just spraying that basically on the hair. Oh, excuse me. I'm spraying that on the hair and on that lace just so it can stick to something other than my hair. It'll stick to my forehead instead. So you guys are gonna see when it's time for me to cut the lace. I'm gonna leave some extra space just because of the simple fact that at a later date I'm gonna go and pluck the hairs, and I needed some additional lace to have to basically grip onto. So I'm just taking my blow dryer right now, and I just blow dried it for about 30 seconds to a minute, and it actually sealed really well. I was super surprised. Now I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but I took some powder and I put it inside of my part, on the inside and outside, just so it can look more natural. And what I'm doing now is just cutting that lace where the glue didn't set in, well, the spritz didn't set in, and I'm just cutting that. Alright, so right now, like I said, there's that lace that I was talking about. I'm going to hide it, so don't worry, but I'm just taking a piece of hair from the other side, and I'm just going to clip that just to make sure that I'll have something to hide the lace in front of my head, and it gives your wig a lot more style. So I'm doing the same thing that I did in my Gabriella wig look as well. And I just took some gel and just swooped that to the side. And I didn't show you guys, but I also put some spritz on it and blow dried it into place as well. I'm a bartender, so I don't need this little wig going anywhere, okay? So my footage got deleted, but I did take a flat iron to the top, not the bottom, just to, you know, it was too big at the top for me, but this is more of my preference. I love this hair, you guys. It was only $31.95 on Main Gang. I'm going to leave that information in the description box, but it came out good for me to be rushing, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.